Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Mailchimp managed domains, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Mailchimp website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Type in your password. Click the login button to access your account. From the dashboard, look for the account option in the lower left corner. Click on Account to open the Account Settings menu. Select the Domains tab from the options available. You will see a list of your managed domains. To add a new domain, click on the Add Domain button. Follow the prompts to enter your new domain details. Verify ownership of the domain as required. Once the domain is verified, it will appear in your managed domains list. If you need to edit an existing domain, click on the domain name. Make any necessary changes, then save your adjustments. To remove a domain, click the delete icon next to the domain you wish to remove. Confirm your choice to delete the domain. You have successfully logged in and managed your domains in Mailchimp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.